Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantab Publishers video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear students, you must have with you class 4 English textbook. We are going to start our lesson from unit 2, Good Friends. SLOs of this lesson are engage in conversation. Look here first, page number 13 of your textbook. We have a grammar portion here. See what it says? Match the nouns of column A with verbs in column B and write them in column C. In column A, we have nouns. Noun names a person, place, or things. Like brother, father, mother, teacher, student, principal. These are persons. And the column B, which indicating to the verbs. The action words. I know you are familiar with the noun and the verbs. These are parts of speech. As you can see, cooks, teases, guides, works, teaches, learns. These are all action. But you have to match it with the appropriate noun. कि कौन सा noun है जो है उसके लिए कौन सा verb appropriate होगा. Mostly जो यहाँ पर noun है वो कौन सा काम करते हैं. The first one here, brother. What does a brother do? He cooks? No. He teases. He guides, he works, he teaches, learns. Mostly brother teases their sisters. Yes. Or their siblings, their other brothers. So this one will match with the teases. Brother usually teases their siblings. The relation of a brother. The second one is father. What does father do? Mostly. He works, he teaches, he learns, he guides or cooks. No, father cooks, but sometimes, but not mostly. What does a father do? Mostly. Yes, he works. He works for us to earn for our lives. The father will be matched with the works here. What does a mother do? Mostly. Yes, she cooks for us. She cooks delicious foods for us. What does a teacher do? Learn, teach, guides. What? Yes, teacher will teach. Teacher teaches us. These two remaining, student and principal here. What does a student do? The teacher teaches and the student, yes, learn. And the last one, of course, will be paired or will be matched with the one guides. Principal give guidance and guides us. So you have to write it here like a brother teases. So you have to write it here like teases. And the father what? Yes, father works. Mother cooks. Teacher teaches. Student learns. And the principal guides. Page number 15 of your textbook. Mark the right answer from the given choices. You have to choose the right option for each question here. The number 1 here, which one is the suitable verb for the noun father? Yes, we have discussed it. So, here we have option of bring up, punish, supervise or teach. Father का mostly क्या काम होता है? Bring up मतलब परवरिश करना, पनिश करना, सुपरवाइज करना और टीच करना. Yes, father brings up. He bring up. This is the correct option for it. These 4 questions is your home task. I want you to do it yourself. Section D here we have a listening and speaking activity. Make a group of 5 students in your class and answer the following question using there is or there are वन बाय वन। आपने क्या करना है, एक रोल प्ले करना है, उसमें ग्रुप बना लें 5 स्टूडेंट्स का, या आप अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ या सिबलिंग्स के साथ भी घर में बना सकते हैं, कजन्स हो गए, नेबर्स हो गए। तो आपने क्या करना है, ग्रुप बनाना है और ये क्वेश्चन पूछने हैं देयर इज और देयर आर का यूज करके। जैसे कि फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, हाउ मेनी रूम्स आर देयर इन योर होम। आर देयर का हमने यूज किया है, क्वेश्चन फॉर्म में पूछा है, इंटरोगेटिंग फॉर्म में इंटरोगेशन हो रही है इधर कि आपके घर में कितने कमरे हैं। इज देयर और आर देयर का यूज हमने पढ़ा था। इज देयर किसकी तरफ इशारा करता है, सिंगुलर आइटम की तरफ, और जो देयर आर है आपका किस तरफ इशारा करता है, यस प्लूरल की तरफ, प्लूरल आइटम्स और पर्सन्स की तरफ। सो यू हैव टू आंसर इट दैट देयर आर 2 rooms or 3 rooms or 4 rooms in my home. One person will ask question and the other will answer it. That's how you will do this activity. Question number 2, how many stoves are there in your kitchen? Stoves कहते हैं चूल्हे को जिस पे हम खाना पकाते हैं। Again, the second question, how many stoves are there in your kitchen? Stoves and rooms are both plural here. We are inquiring about the plural items here. So one will answer that I have 2 stoves in my kitchen. The third one, how many books are there in your school bag? The fourth one, how many dustbins are there in your home? The fifth one, how many gatekeepers are there on the main gate of your school? So you have to question it and the other will answer it. I hope you will do this activity at your home. Dear student, this is your homework from summer pack, page number 22. What you have to do, take dictation of the given familiar words and make sentences. You have been given these words. What you need to do, you have to understand their meaning from dictionary and use them in your meaningful sentences. ऐसे sentences बनाने हैं जिनका कोई मतलब बनता हो. I hope you will do your homework and enjoy this lesson. Thank you.